Imagine yourself in this Ford 2015 F-150 Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation, equipment group 502A luxury, Lariat chrome appearance package, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, single CD with Sirius XM satellite. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.